Hey indie music rock stars. In today's video, we are going to learn the song Happy Christmas, War is Over by John Lennon and Yoko Ono. Did you know that this song was covered by some of your favorite artists such as Miley Cyrus, Kylie Minogue, and Christina Aguilera? It was also covered by one of my favorite bands, Oasis. This is a really fun song to play, but there are some challenging chords and chord changes. So, are you ready for a challenge today? I know you are. Come on in, let's practice together. So first chord in this song is A major. Then the second chord of the song is B minor. If you need a quick refresh on B minor, we're going to take our pointer finger, we're going to put it on the bottom string of the second fret. Then our second finger goes to the fifth string on the third fret, and our third finger goes to the fourth string on the fourth fret. And then with our pick, we're going to play the bottom four strings. Then the next chord is E major. And then we go back to A major. So that's the first part of the verse. Then the second part of the verse starts with D major. Then E minor. Then G major. Then we go back to A major again. And then we end the verse on D major. All right, so let's go through those again. Start here on A major. Then B minor. Then E major. Then back to A major. Now part number 2, D major, E minor, then A major, then back to D major. The strumming pattern for this song is a little tricky because the song is in what's called 3/4 time. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of got like a swing a little bit. So you kind of feel like you're swinging back and forth. So I know you'll come up with your own strumming pattern. What I'm doing is I'm doing like 2 down strums and then the rest are down up. So I know it's a little tricky, but remember, we're challenging ourselves in this video, so we're going to challenge. So let's slow it down a little bit, just on A major. All right, here we go. Let's try it even slower. Last time. Good. So let's practice the verse one more time, and then we'll learn the chorus together. So we're going to start here on A major. Remember, it's 3/4 timing, so kind of have a little bit of a sway when you're strummed. It's kind of like you're dancing, all right? But just follow as long as best you can. We're going to start here on A major. And again, see how I've got that bend in my fingers? Yeah, make sure you've got that good bend in your fingers so that way you're not muting any of your strings. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, here's part 2, D major. Really great job. It's sounding so good. So now that we're into the chorus, the first chord is going to be G major, then A major, then E minor, quick back to G major, then D major, and we're going to end on E major. So let's try that together. It's the same strumming pattern, so just try to follow along as best as you can. But G major, A major, E minor, quick back to G major, then D major, and E major. And then we go back to the verse and we start on A. So let's try that chorus a little bit faster together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. E minor, G, D. Now E. Really great job. It's sounding so good. So let's try to just practice the verse and the chorus together. We'll just run through it one time and then we'll be done. All right? So we're going to start here on A major. All right, remember, and it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's kind of the tempo that we're following. And just try your best with your own strumming pattern, or you can follow along with the one that I'm doing, which is kind of like down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? All right, here we go on A major. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now the chorus. Really great job. That is sounding awesome. All right, now for my advanced players, you might be noticing that there's a little bit of like a lead riff while they're playing the chords. So starting here on A major, if you listen to the song, it'll sound a little bit like this. So what I'm doing there is I'm doing A major, but then I'm lifting up this finger. So now it's off, and then I put it back down on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. And then I slide it back. If you're an advanced player and you're playing B minor like this, then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna lift up this finger, and then you're gonna take your pinky and you're gonna put it on the 5th string of the 5th fret. And then bring that finger back. And then E major, and put your pinky down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. And then you do that same little riff on A major. So then when you go to the second part of the chorus and you're playing D major, that sounds like this. Again, I'm lifting off my middle finger, putting my pinky down, E minor is a little bit tricky, so I just play the E minor as it is. Then A major, and then D major. So practice that a little bit. That's really for our advanced players. So you can play it just exactly the way that the record sounds. But I just think it sounds so cool. And it just shows you how you can play simple chords and you can just change them up a little bit and it completely alters the dynamic of the song. I mean, this just sounds so beautiful. That sounds so nice. Really great job practicing with me today, rock stars. Thank you so much. You are amazing. I am so impressed with the progress you're making. This is sounding so good, and I'm so proud of you for all the work that you're putting in to get to this point. It's your hard work that's helping you learn how to play guitar in advance. So really great job. Pat yourself on the back. All right, let's play ourselves out like we normally do. This is a relatively short song, so why don't we just go through and play the whole thing all together? We can just play it all the way to the end because it's only about 2 minutes long. So let's have this be a special holiday extended jam session. Just you and I, or maybe your friends, you all have your guitars, we're all jammed together like a real band. How cool is that? But let's have a fun little extended jam session. Let's play this song all the way through, and let's just have some fun while we're doing it. Sound like a plan? All right, let's do it. So we're going to start here in A major. I'm just going to play the basic chords. I'm not going to play the little riff because I want to play it well and I want to play along together. So let's just play the basic chords together. Let's strum along. Let's have a good time. And let's just enjoy this little holiday jam session. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sounds so good. Now the chorus. Back to the verse. Chorus one more time. Oh man, that was so much fun. I love jamming with you. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we will see you again next time.